Shortcuts is a powerful feature that lets you automate tasks on your iPhone. One useful trick you can try is creating a custom shortcut to quickly send a message to a specific person or group of people. To do this, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign to create a new shortcut. Then, select Add Action and search for Send Message in the search bar. Choose the Send Message action and select the contact or group you want to send the message to. Next, you can customize the message you want to send by tapping on the message field. Once you're done, save the shortcut by tapping on Done and give it a name. Now, whenever you want to send a message to that specific contact or group, you can simply run the shortcut and the message will be sent automatically. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you frequently message the same people.